Hey guys, what's up? Do you want to speak English faster? So use these contraction words in your language. Let's get started. If you say want to, say wanna. Kind of, kinda. Come on. Don't know, don't know. Cup of tea, cup of tea. Let me, lame. Going to, gonna. Give me, gimme. Need to, needy. Much of, mucha. Because, cause. Have to, hafta. Is not, and. Is not, and. Has not, and. Tell them, tell them. I'm going to, I'm ma. Isn't it, in it? Do you, do. So guys, these are the contractions that you can use in your daily routine sentences. Use them and follow me for new and new things. Goodbye.